Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a SAMSUNG Galaxy A25 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. Let's start with finding and opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's enter the software information and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So let's go back to the general settings and then enter the developer options, which will appear under the About Phone. Now we have to scroll down to find this automatic system update and turn it on just by tapping on the switcher. From now on, since this option is active, your device will apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will basically have a chance to apply the updates. Of course, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.